Hello YouTube and fellow radio hams. This is just a quick video of the GM340 4-channel set, readily available. Probably the easiest to get hold of at the moment. There's somebody stockpiling UHF radios for Mmdvm projects. I wonder who that could be. Right, this one has had a couple of mods done to it. First of all, the RX mod here, which is documented in the Mmdvm Yahoo group, which was devised by Colin G4EML, which involves taking the DC coupled signal from the IF chip here and routing this down to the socket here. There's a little bit of track that needs to be snipped, and then bring that out as you normally would do. And these radios previously have been no use for TX, good for RX but no good for TX. Well, there was a mod that surfaced on the Facebook group recently, which involved removing this capacitor here and feeding the signal in here. Sorry about the camera shake there, trying to hold the camera with one hand. This works, and it's working very, very well. I'm really pleased with it. Really nice, clean signal from the test signal being fed into this point. It requires a fair amount of drive to get this into work, so there's no resistor or anything needed. I'm just coming straight down here. I'm using the correct pin 5 on the socket there, and then that gets routed into the SP8NTH board. On this particular one, I've removed the output TX pot, it's just not needed, and just bridge that over. And the input capacitor has been removed as well, so we've got a DC coupled signal being directly applied to the op amp, and the results are excellent. Just give you a quick demo on. Let's grab the test 1 2 3 4 5 G7 RPG test. Test 1 2 3 4 5 G7 RPG test.
Test 1 2 3 4 5 G7 RPG test. Test 1 2 3 4 5 G7 RPG test.
Okay, so that's D star, and I'll just quickly just do a quick key in the Brandmaster parrot reflector there, and just give that a go. G7 RPG test. I'm sorry about this camera shake, I'll just rest it on there. G7 RPG test. G7 RPG testing on the GM350. Let's have a look here. Just to
G7 RPG test. I'm sorry about this camera shake, I'll just rest it on there. G7 RPG test. G7 RPG testing on the GM350.
So there you go. As you can see, that it's working really quite nicely. And if you've got any of these radios lying around, I highly recommend you get this mod done, and you can use them, and they seem to work very, very well. I haven't tried P25 yet. I just need to get the radio programmed up for that, but I'll give that a whirl a bit later on. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.